Are you listening? Damn.
Are you tired of the same old boring workouts that fail to give you the results you desire? If you want to add excitement and diversity to your fitness routine while reaping countless health benefits, you should give jumping rope a try. We understand that you may have reservations about jumping rope, especially if you haven't picked up a rope since your school days. But let us assure you that this form of exercise is worth it. For one, jumping rope is a fantastic calorie burner that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. In fact, few exercises can match its efficiency when it comes to burning off calories. Even at a moderate pace, you can torch up to 16 calories per minute. And if you up the ante with a 10-minute round, you'll burn an impressive 160 calories, equivalent to running an 8-minute mile. But jumping rope is not only good for shedding pounds. It's also an excellent way to improve bone density, which is essential for strong and healthy bones. Studies show that jumping for just 10 minutes a day provides greater bone-building benefits than running. Even for elderly and athletes, simply jumping is one of the most effective exercises for boosting bone density. Jumping rope is also an excellent way to develop agility, quickness, and balance, which can help reduce the risk of injuries. It targets your calves, knees, and ankle joints, making them stronger and more resilient. As a result, it improves your quickness and balance by making your mind concentrate on your footwork for sustained periods. It's no wonder that boxers favor jump rope so much. But the benefits of jumping rope go beyond physical health. This exercise is also an excellent brain workout that improves cognitive functioning and boosts memory, reading skills, and mental awareness. Activities that have physical and mental demands like jumping rope have stronger impacts on cognitive functioning than activities that only involve one of these elements. And the best part: jumping rope is extremely affordable, portable, and versatile, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You just need a rope, a bit of space, and a flat surface, and you're good to go. There are also plenty of workout guides and tutorials online to help you get started and spice things up with different tricks and speed variations. So why settle for a boring workout when you can experience the countless benefits of jumping rope? Don't let doubts or fears hold you back. Take the plunge and see for yourself how this fun and dynamic exercise can transform your body and mind. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to comment below.